How does an internal combustion engine cylinder work? Imagine a tiny room where magic happens every time you turn on your car. That magic is the process of turning fuel into motion, all inside a small metal chamber called a cylinder. This is the heart of an internal combustion engine. Inside this cylinder, a series of main steps happen over and over again to keep your vehicle moving. First, the piston moves down, creating space for air or a mixture of air and fuel to rush in through an open valve. This is called the intake stroke. Once the chamber is filled, the valve closes, and the piston moves back up, squeezing everything tightly. This compression makes the air and fuel mixture much hotter and denser, setting the stage for ignition. When the piston reaches the top, a spark plug fires in spark ignition engines, igniting the mixture. In engines that rely on compression ignition, fuel is injected into the hot, compressed air, causing it to ignite on its own. The explosion pushes the piston down with great force, turning the crankshaft and creating the power needed to move your car. After this, the piston moves back up again, pushing out the burnt gases through an exhaust valve. This is the exhaust stroke, clearing the chamber for the next cycle. The piston is connected to a connecting rod, which converts its up and down motion into rotational movement. This rotation powers the wheels or other machinery. The entire process is a practical example of how heat energy from fuel is transformed into mechanical energy through a series of pressure, temperature, and volume changes inside the cylinder. This cycle repeats many times each second in an engine with multiple cylinders, providing a steady flow of power. Understanding how this tiny chamber works helps explain how internal combustion engines turn fuel into the motion that powers cars, motorcycles, and many other machines.